Good morning from the UK traders. My name is Will from Sini Stocks. This is my weekly watch list video going into the 19th of July. The 18th of July, sorry, 2022. Take a look at the SPY weekly chart right now. We are still in a falling wedge pattern and it seems that we are basing. So if we zoom in on this candle real quick, we can see a very long-wicked hammer candle which has appeared. So to make this bullish on the weekly chart, we are looking to target this area just up here. So starting at 388, okay, if you do a little box right here, we are looking to target this box over here to then end up breaking it and breaking out the wedge. That is the bullish perspective on the weekly, and potentially it could happen. Traders may be viewing this this weekly chart, or at least this weekly hammer candle here, as a free bar, right? So basically we are looking for 388 break on the weekly to destroy and hopefully break out this wedge. Now of course we do have some support just above as well, resistance, sorry, and it is quite far away. If we just take out my rectangular tool here, we've got resistance from this area up here. So basically we're looking at around 408 if we do break out. That is the resistance which I see. I'm not counting any of these blocks here as resistance. Now of course this bit here is also resistance over here, so yeah, 388 break and then 392. Above that we are looking to push over to 400 and then test upwards of 408. Now this week, or at least this month, is earnings month, and we have some great earnings results coming out this week, sorry. So we're kicking off the earnings with Netflix. If I can get up my Twitter quickly, I did retweet the earnings for today, and these were the earnings. So on Monday today we have IBM, okay, big one we see. We've got Netflix tomorrow after close. There's not really much else. Then we've got obviously Tesla on this day as well. On the Wednesday after hours, AT&T, American Airlines. We got Snap as well, Domino's. I'm not really looking at anything else. Bank of America, of course. Didn't actually see that one till just now, but that is for earnings. So we're looking quite good. Okay, we've got quite a steady week for earnings, and these can, of course, change the way the market is structured right now. So we could either be going to a very, very bullish market, and considering the weekly chart, it is looking quite bullish at the minute. So, but things can change. So if I break down the SPY on the daily, we are seeing an upward channel, right? So we did break down the upward channel and then retest this this key pivot point. And now we have bounced back into the upward channel. So we are looking to target this 388/389 level once again. Now, of course, we look at the big picture. We are in a wedge. So, you know, we do have a lot of room if we was to break out of this wedge. Yeah, so we've got something like this, right? And then maybe breaking out, testing over this this 408 level if we do break out. Now, this obviously, again, it just all comes down to how the market reacts to these earnings, which will be coming out, because earnings are a big market mover. But one of the key things which is very, very bullish on the SPY right now, we are seeing a good level of bullish divergence, right? So a big move is gonna come one day, this week, this month, or very, very soon, which I'm trying to say. And I'll go into some other charts as well, and you can see that a lot of these other stocks, like Tesla, Apple, Amazon, you know, all the main stocks do have bullish divergence as well as the QQQ. So if I go over to the QQQ quickly, we are seeing some bullish divergence on this one as well. So look at the RSI here, good bullish divergence. We are double topping on the QQQ, and we are looking to break this red downtrend line this week if bullish. Now this is obviously the mini downtrend line. The big boy downtrend line would be around this area here, but again we've got quite a way on that, so we're not going to be looking at that for a short-term move. So next up, let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla is trading in a weekly range as seen in this this chart image here. We've got a nice candle on the weekly chart, so buyers have stepped up, causing this lower wick to appear, And again, you can see this is a 3-bar play, so we are looking for the break of 756 to then push above and test this this 792 area. That's if obviously we do break this 764 price level. So if we just break it down even more on the daily chart, this is what I'm seeing. So we have got a kind of pennant going on right now. So if I just create this trend lines here, you can see a pennant, right? This is a bearish pennant so far, but of course the weekly is in a range, and ranges generally mean that the market can go either breaking up or breaking down. Now of course that can happen for any pattern. It can happen for a bearish pennant, a bullish pennant, but generally weekly range trading doesn't actually give a perspective on like what sort of way the market will go. And obviously we have earnings on Wednesday after hours, so just want to look for a run up to this special earnings date this week until Wednesday. In my opinion, I think we will likely test lower, perhaps testing again this 675 level before moving up, but that is of course my opinion. I'm neither bullish or bearish on Tesla, but once these earnings do come out, I probably will likely swing the stock. But right now I'm just day trading, so that is my take on Tesla. Next up is Meta. Let's have a look at the weekly chart quickly. I just want to highlight this pivotal demand zone on Meta. As you can see here, very key area. We're currently in a downtrending channel, and we are holding this previous demand zone, as you can see on these previous charts here. So we've got demand zone here, demand zone here, demand zone here, demand zone here. Right, we did actually break lower and break all the way down in 2018. But now we are holding, so you know, just a key level for at least this moment in time unless we break out above. Downtrending channel, right? We are actually trading in a range as well. If I can get my tool out and demonstrate this. So we've got the top of the range just over here, bottom of the range just over there, right? And currently it's looking okay, right? We have bounced from this this lower demand zone. So we are looking for the a push back above, and I'm probably going to be testing this 170 level, okay, just above. And of course, we do break above this 170 level. We are looking for 175, and then we have quite a good room considering the amount of pace in these two candles here. These two bearish gapping down candles. So technically, we do not have a lot of resistance until this 180, 184 level on Meta. So far, Meta's looking good. If you are accumulating shares down here on Meta, just be careful, because obviously earnings is just around the corner. So we could see a potential run up to earnings or a potential run down. Now, of course, if we do see a run down, we're looking for this blue trend line to hold. Right. But obviously, if we do, you know, see some bullish sentiment come into the market for Meta, we are looking to explode and, you know, break this midpoint on the downward channel, and then test this this main resistance level, downtrend level on the daily time frame. Next up is Netflix. Netflix looks very good. I can't lie, guys. We've got earnings literally tomorrow evening after hours, and we're looking very bullish. I've highlighted on Twitter that this $200 level is gonna likely be tested, if I can get my words out, this week. So we are looking for this 192 level break, which is this gap down price level. Above that, we're looking for $200, and then of course above that, we've basically got room until this this small consolidation just around here, right? If I can make my pen a different color, that would probably be a little bit more helpful. So let's do a nice green. So yeah, we've got some consolidation around this level here. So let's call it 215. And then of course, if we do actually start going very bullish on Netflix due to earnings, there is a huge gap to fill just above here in this zone. Oh, in this zone right here, okay? So just some instances on Netflix to look for. Now, of course, if we do break down on Netflix, what can we expect to see? If we go on the weekly chart here, we have not really got that much potential support to be holding until this 133 level. In my opinion, this was the previous level where we did cause some resistance at, as you can see here. So we got resistance over here, and over here, all quite some time ago. So we've got 2015 again, 2016, and then you know, we've had a very bullish 6-month period, you know, 2017. But yeah, in my opinion, Netflix will likely bounce, but that is of course due to the earnings being bullish or bearish. Next up is Nvidia. I haven't got too much faith in Nvidia. Again, in a falling wedge pattern, bullish divergence can be seen on the daily chart. In my opinion, we are looking for this 160 break to then test this pivotal point just above at 170. Then just above that, we can be looking for 175 plus on Nvidia. If we just take a look at Google quickly as well, this is the huge downtrend line which I've highlighted, and we are currently uptrending or starting to form an uptrend with these this choppy market. Now we have not broken the resistance here around 2,380. So if we do break this level, we are looking very bullish. Now we have seen some huge volume come in on the previous day, and then of course earnings are just around the corner as well, so we could see a potential run up to earnings this week. Bullish divergence is looking very good as well. I don't know what's happening with this. Oh no, it's a split, my bad. It's a split I didn't take into account. But okay, let's go on to the next one. Amazon, another it's another falling wedge. It's another falling wedge, okay? We are looking for this 116 level to break. Above that, we're looking for 120. We are currently holding this pivotal point just below at this 106 level, so we're looking quite bullish. Prime day was on the 15th of July. As we can see, volume has spiked. We do have quite a long upper wick though, so shorts did come in. But then, for example, if we do break above this this wick candle, or at least push it above to 116, we could see a potential short covering to then make us reach this 120 level. Now, if we do actually come back down to this this 106 level, we are going to be expecting it to hold. But then, if we don't hold, of course, we are then looking to form this this quadruple bottom at this point. It would be due to these pivotal points here. So we've got a pivotal point here on the 12th of May, another one on the 24th of May, 14th of May, the 30th of June. So we're looking for a five bottom on Amazon. I can't think of the term. I think it might be. It's not fifth. It's obviously you got a triple, quadruple. Now can't think of that word. If you do know the word, make sure to comment below. That would help me out greatly. So now let's go on to Apple. Apple's looking good in my opinion. Still uptrending on a short-term time frame. So we've got higher lows coming in, and now we are testing this recent pivotal point around 150. So 150 is a key psych level for, you know, any stock what ends in like $100 is going to be a key psych. 150 is going to be key psych. 200 is going to be key psych. Like any number, which is a whole number, which traders can look and just you know, give a fixed number. It's not going to be like 151 is going to be a psych, but 150 is going to be a psych level, and we are currently consolidating around this 150 level. Now, of course, we do break above this 150 level and then test the upper, or at least the previous pivot point, which is around 152. We're then looking to break above and then test 155 plus. But you know, shorts are coming in as you can see here, and you know, people are going to be selling due to you know, because it's been a key resistance. RSI is also going up, which is it's looking quite bullish. It's not oversold, overbought just yet, but we're getting there. Now, of course, earnings are just around the corner as well, so we could see another potential run up for this one. But in my opinion, we are going to be seeing a pullback. Now, if we look here, if we do go down and up again, that is of course a head and shoulders pattern for then more downward price action, but that is obviously all theoretical at this moment in time. But this right now on Apple, it's looking okay. I don't have a particular stance on Apple right now, but it's looking just okay. So again, let's have a look at Microsoft here. Another bullish divergence on the on RSI on the daily chart. We are actually seeing a head and shoulders pattern form within this pennant on the daily, this bearish pennant. So we are looking to target this 260 level for Microsoft. Now let's get into my 8 bonus ideas, which I'll be watching. So first one is Bank of America. We do have earnings today. in pre-market, so we could see some decent price action on this huge financial stock today. Now, financial stocks are very, very oversold right now, so we could potentially see a bounce. Citigroup did have earnings, and that has caused a huge spike and a huge rally, so we could see the same for Bank of America. I'm pretty sure that is why we saw some quite nice volume come in, as well as this very, very bullish candle. I just wanted to highlight as well, this pattern right here is an abandoned baby pattern, right? We've got a gapping down candle from the previous day, and then stock gapped back up again, meaning this candle right here is an abandoned baby. That is a beautiful reversal pattern for when taking into account a stock. Like, it is also on this this midpoint of downtrend, so it is on good support as well, so we could see a potential rally. It also did break the recent daily pivotal point, which is around $32.20 and 30 cents. So we are looking for this gap above to be tested on BAC today, or at least this week, so at least around 3,370 to 3,450. So we've got some room on this one, considering we're priced in at $30.20 right now. We at least have a $2 range for this stock to make a potential move. So just take BAC into account. Next up is Palantir. Palantir is uptrending on the short time frame, but it is a weekly bear flag. I just want to highlight that one real quick. So of course we do break down this weekly bear flag. We will be looking to short until this gap is filled around $8.20 slash 8.50 cents. Obviously the opening gap can be a support as well, which we have been holding. But of course, from a bullish perspective, we are looking to get above this grey zone here, which was the previous gap down level on Palantir. So around 950 for a short-term move back up to 950. Next up is Baidu. I personally think that China stocks will be getting a hit this week, or at least next week, just due to US traders, or at least traders trying to tackle the US recession. They're going to be hitting up Chinese stocks and possibly making them rally going into this Q3. So of course we have seen a very, very good demand zone being hit right now on Baidu. I've highlighted it with these arrows here, as you can see. So we could see a potential bounce on Baidu, and I'm very, very much liking this hammer candle which has come in. And of course we do have bullish divergence on the daily chart as well. Next up is PayPal. I just want to highlight the weekly chart on PayPal quickly. This is a huge demand zone on PayPal, and we are currently holding. Now, if we do break this $68 level, we are likely going to be seeing this $58 level here, so at least a $10 drop. Of course, volume has come in, and if you are looking at insider buying, you can see that the shares have been bought up by insiders like Nancy Pelosi. I don't think I'm saying her name right, but she has bought some shares in PayPal recently, so just an instance. Chart is looking bullish, just keep an eye on it, and of course we're looking for this $75 level break for PayPal to then be bullish. So I want to highlight pins quickly. We've got nothing really too much to say, but we did see a gapping up candle on this one, testing this $20 psych level, so we are looking for a push on this one to literally see $22 on pins, right? DWAC, very, very interesting setup. This will be an intraday setup, so for you day traders out there, we are looking for this red zone here to be broken. As we can see on the daily, on the hourly chart, we do have quite a lot of room. So we've got room from the current price at $30 to at least 33, so that's 10% gain, or a 10.4% gain, right? And then of course above that, we are looking to test this next resistance around 36.50. So we do have some good room on DWAC. So if you are day trading, just watch for this one. So watch for $32 to break, to then see $33 to $36 on this one. Next up is Barbar. Again, like and sell with Barbar, downtrend in stock, but we are now testing downtrend and holding this pivotal point around this chart here. If I go on the weekly time frame, you can see this is a weekly bull flag testing this zone, and I'm very, very much liking it, considering we did consolidate and we are now holding this indecision candle, previously made on the 13th of June. So looking very, very bullish for Baba, and that's another reason why I think Chinese stocks will rally, because a lot of them are looking like they will want to reverse. We can also see a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, so looking very, very bullish. Next up is NIO, same as Alibaba, looking very, very bullish. Right, we are holding 50 on the RSI, so a nice support, as well as this previous demand zone, which can be seen here, and we are holding this as well. This is a complex pullback, if you can't see this already, on the daily chart, and this basically means that, you know, other traders will be looking at this and then hopefully holding the $20 level, which is literally just below here, for the next move up towards this this gap fill around 26.40 to 27.30. So that is my weekly watch list going into next week. Now, only a few ideas which I presented in this video, not too much. If you are interested in following us on Twitter, we post a lot, and we post a lot of setups every single day. It's generally day trading, swing trading, anything. Okay, we post it on Twitter. We just want to motivate you guys. We want to show you the best setups. We want to show you the market information going into next week, and that can be found at our Twitter. It's at CNE Stocks. Now, if you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, or at least give us a like. You know, everything helps. It at least shows some appreciation towards the time taken to upload this video onto YouTube. And I wish you all the best for next week. Take care, guys, and good luck.